Maria Eunice here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I do braid outs in my hair. I just freshly washed my hair using this conditioner, which is the Tresemme Smooth and Silky Touchable Softness for Dry and Brittle Hair Conditioner, and I used this shampoo, which is the Cream of Nature Sunflower and Coconut Detangling Conditioning Shampoo. The product I'm going to be using is the My Moisture Curl Quench and Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. I showed all these products in my favorite hair product video that I just posted. Like I said, I just washed my hair. I cannot find my spray bottle for some reason. This is how my hair looks, freshly washed with no hair products. It is very heat damaged. The back's still curly, but... And this is my little Denman brush that's not really a Denman brush. I got it from the local beauty supply store. But I take a section that's about this size. I use about this much product. And I go to the ends first, because you know your ends are the driest. And I just rake it through. And because I do not have my spray bottle, I'll probably end up using a little more product than I usually do because, you know, my hair will dry out. I just take this and brush through. It's pretty cute. I don't wear them that often though, because with all the heat damage, like, you see this? They just don't look as good as they used to. But yeah, that's how I do my braid out. It's a very big hairstyle. My hair feels super moisturized. I left the plaits in for all of Wednesday, all of Thursday. It's Friday morning. I just took them out, so it's very dry. And that's probably why before I separated it, it was very defined, because I left them in for so long. And yes, I did wear them to school. So, yep, that's about it. Let me know if you like it by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I want to say thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.